9 passive income ideas. Welcome aboard to a world of financial empowerment. We're embarking on a journey that transcends traditional earnings. Discover ingenious ways to generate income while you sleep, from online streams to smart investments. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to reshape your financial future, these passive income ideas hold the power to unlock a realm of possibilities. Let's dive in and pave your path to a prosperous tomorrow. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notification of upcoming videos. Let's dive in and pave your path to a more prosperous tomorrow. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a passive income source and highly profitable online work that anyone can undertake. What's the best part? It takes a little skill or expertise to get started. To make money with affiliate marketing, you will need a product or service to promote and website traffic in the form of visitors who will purchase it. This can be accomplished through advertisements on your blog or social media profiles, but many internet businesses will pay you per click or lead created. This is referred to as affiliate marketing, since affiliates are paid a percentage of what they earn when someone clicks on one of their links. Number 8. Start a blog. Why not begin your blog? It's one of the most consistent ways to earn passive income on autopilot. While starting a popular blog is difficult, the benefits are long-term. With the potential for passive income, running a popular blog enables you to generate money through various methods, most of which are passive. You could sell nearly anything in your niche on autopilot. Find something that will appeal to your blog's readers and sell it. If you want to reap the benefits, generate content or digital products for the same demographic and sell them directly through your systems or sales funnels. Grow your blog over time by consistently creating excellent material that solves a problem and meets your audience's demand. Number 7. Ebooks. Find a niche market and write a great ebooks. While you could quickly sell this on a platform like Amazon's Kindle, you'll do better if you sell it through your channels, such as a blog or as a follow-up offer to a lead magnet. You'll end up making more money this way. However, selling your books on Kindle is a much easier option if you need to become an expert web marketer. The threshold is low, and you must only undertake a portion of the book promotion. Amazon will pay you monthly for the sales. Number 6. Online courses. Online courses are a terrific way to make passive income at any time of day or night, and they require little to no maintenance once they're up and running. Aside from updating stale or no longer relevant content, you may develop online courses on various platforms, including Kajabi, Udemy, and Teachable. You might also develop your membership-based courses using sites like ClickFunnels. What types of courses do you provide? You can teach practically anything. However, you should keep to your strengths. If you know how to teach photography, coding, teach people about it. SEO, teach people about it. Do you use social media marketing, Benny? Then dive right in. Knowing what you're talking about will be evident, and your sales will increase. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. There are numerous ways to earn money online with a YouTube channel. The most common method is to include AdSense advertisements in your videos. For this, you have to upload captivating and engaging content in the form of videos so that people watch your videos and subscribe to your channel. In this way, you may reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. You earn money whenever someone clicks on your ad or watches shippable ads during video play. You can also promote products in your YouTube videos by wearing or utilizing certain things. Add a link to your web store to encourage people to visit and purchase your products, or contract with third-party companies to market their products. Just make sure you have an enticing offer for your audience. Creating sponsored videos is another option to monetize your YouTube channel. You can earn money by endorsing branded products or making content marketing videos in this manner. Number 4. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividends are profits distributed to stockholders. Some companies pay dividends regularly, which means that dividends can become a reliable source of passive income if you accumulate many shares over time. Dividend-paying stock enthusiasts will highlight how their investment creates dividend income and appreciation. In other words, they receive a consistent supply of money through dividends, while the underlying stock is improving in value as the company grows. Keep in mind that equities with high dividend yields are still risky. Dividend investments, like any other stock, can lose value. They are, however, comparable to other stocks in that they are better to buy and hold for a long time. On the other hand, dividend stock are worth considering if you have some spare cash to invest and understand the associated risk. An index fund full of them is perfect for you. Ensure you understand the hazards associated with index fund bubbles. Number 3. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is another profitable side hustle option, but it also is one of the most difficult ones. Drop shipping works by creating an online storefront without purchasing any inventory ahead of time. You collaborate with a third-party provider, buying only what's needed when the consumer orders. The provider will then send the order on your behalf. Some of your primary responsibilities will be including selecting a reliable supplier, developing an online storefront, and handling all marketing and customer service. One of the primary advantages of dropshipping is that it allows you to become a business owner with little to no initial expenditure. On the other hand, dropshipping requires a significant amount of initial research and setup to be done correctly, but it can be done well. Number 2. Build Android and iOS apps. Your app can be monetized by charging for it, offering in-app purchases, or running advertisements. However, you lose a share of each sale due to in-store charges. A development fee will also be added to list your app on Google Play or Apple's App Store. Being a frequent app user in your target market is advantageous. Having a few cross-platform phones or tablets is also advantageous. If not, there are numerous solutions for testing on virtual devices. Making a list of what you don't like about the apps you use frequently and any features that aren't already available. Finding a niche can be challenging, but could be your ticket to steady passive income. You'll need to release at least a few apps if you're serious about making money while sleeping. Number 1. Create a podcast. A good podcaster costs approximately $500 to $900 for 10,000 downloads per episode. The range is subject to change based on affiliate sales and audience support. Podcasting is another wonderful alternative for folks who enjoy narrating stories with specific expertise or journalistic flair. If this describes you, start your podcast on Spotify, Apple, and Google Podcasts. Locate a theme that excites you, from music to yoga and well-being, and choose relevant topics to draw your audience to a popular podcast genre. It's also a good idea to monitor your competitors' material to see what's already trending or to fill gaps. You can go it alone or bring in guests who will add value to your podcast. But how do you get paid for podcasting? Typically, you generate money from sponsorships, affiliate connections, and direct support from your audience via sites such as Patreon. Once all the necessary components are in place, create a website or an RSS feed on existing sites to host your podcast and begin promoting it on social media to acquire traction. As our journey through the 9 passive income ideas comes to a close, remember that building multiple income streams takes dedication and creativity. The possibilities are endless, whether you're seeking financial security, pursuing your passions, or achieving your dreams. Take the inspiration from these ideas and craft your path to financial independence. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more exciting videos.